And we can see this thing's not gonna move here. It's not going to loosen. Well, hello everybody again. Jeff here. Welcome to another episode of The Previous Owner Was a Moron. So, right here what you can see, and we come across this every once in a while when we're doing our remodels, is here's your toilet bolt at the bottom of the toilet with the nut, and you go to loosen the nut because you want to remove the toilet, and guess what? It's fused to the bolt. It's not going to do anything. In fact, I can feel underneath the toilet, the bottom end of the toilet bolt is actually loose and spinning now because these two are stuck together. So what do? How do you get yourself out of this position if you can't undo the screw there, the nut, and there's no way to get under there to hold the bottom of the closet bolt in place? Well, for this, folks, we have to go old school. And this is where we bring in our little angle grinder here. And what you have to do then is you're going to put your angle grinder right up to there, and you're just going to cut right through the nut and right through that closet bolt there. And once you've done that, then you can lift the toilet up. Now it's kind of dangerous work, so you want to make sure that you have gloves on, that you have eyewear, you want your eye protection on, and I also like to wear the big ear muffs to keep the sound down as well. So let's go ahead and get this bolt cut here. Okay, so now that we've cut the thing off, see, there it goes. That's all you got to do. Now you'll be able to lift up your toilet. So you can see how the previous homeowner was just stupid because they never had those white caps on there covering those nuts. You should always have those white caps on there. I mean, come on, people. They're only like $3. You know, you go to Home Depot, they're right there. It takes you 1 second to click them on. And that will keep all the water and humidity and God knows what other liquids come oozing down the side of the bowl here from ever landing on those nuts and causing them to freeze up like that. And that's the problem that we see way too many times. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the hose from the bottom of the toilet here. So you see how you got that nut right there? So with that, you just use these channel locks here and just loosen the nut, and whatever little bit of water might be underneath at the bottom of the tank will just ooze out a little bit into this little pan here. It shouldn't be too much, just a few drops. And now your toilet is completely disconnected and you can lift it up and move it out. So there we are, we got the toilet on the cart. And then the next thing you want to do immediately after getting the toilet out of there is you want to scrape off all of the wax. See all that wax, that old wax ring that's on there? Scrape it off completely and then plug that hole. So we usually use a couple of washcloths and just stick them right on there and let them cover the hole so the vapor gases don't come up. Or you can also buy a cap at your big box store.